haven't been hiking in a while.
I never go hiking, so there's that. I usually don't go hiking, but Catherine invited me today. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Sure.
So here's Catherine and her cute little hair flip.
Are they on YouTube?
They are, but they're on private. And that was her laughing. So Catherine, I'm finally making our videos public. I hope you're proud of me. It would be nice if they had like arrows.
I know.
We're at Los Leones. Look at how happy she is. It's beautiful here. We're in Malibu. And apart from the beautiful coast, you can see a lot of really cute dogs on your way up. By the way, I don't really like being filmed. And then look back.
No.
Yes. Thanks, Catherine, for pushing me out of my comfort zone.
Why?
On a sunny day like this, it feels so good to be up there.
This is a beach too. Can you see it?
No,
It's so cool.
your vision must be very good.
Wait, it's right there. It's like.
Go back up. No, I gotta take a picture of this cactus. Cactus. Once you're above, there's so much to take in. It's beautiful. There's like the surrounding plants, and then the surrounding beach, and then the sky. Being in nature just makes me very happy, and I didn't know that about myself. One of the things I really enjoyed about this hike was how easy it was. I'm not the kind of person to go, oh, I want to go hiking, but definitely after this trip, I decided that I like hikes as long as the view is good, the weather's good, and the company's good. No, I think it's just to protect from landslides. After the hike, we didn't really want to eat anything heavy, so we went to this Juicy Ladies. As I ate my burrito, this is my view. On the way back home, we were passing by PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. You can see how peaceful it is. There was some traffic on the way back, but honestly, like, who cares about traffic when you get this amazing view? Then again, I'm not driving. I'm just enjoying this view while Catherine worries about how to merge in.
Why aren't we vlogging?
Where's
It's our birthday.
No, I don't have my.
Hi, Cynthia subscribers.
I don't have any.
Your subscribers need a name.
Yeah, it's a private
Okay,
thing.
then please like and subscribe.
I hope you guys are all proud of me. I finally made a public channel. We're at Huntington Gardens today to celebrate Celia's birthday. Here is kind of like the museum they have. It's like a giant encyclopedia of everything you'll be interested in knowing, like astrology, plants, animals, and then electricity. Look at all these light bulbs. We made our way around the whole park. It's actually a very big park. Took a while to walk around.
Oh, you want it? No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. Why is it on my shoulder?
Just to introduce my friends, this is Celia. Is your neck okay?
Kinda.
Yeah. And then here's Kaylin. We lost Wei Dan. Never mind, I found her. And here's Wei Dan.
Hi, vlog.
And behind her is Sam.
Termites.
Nope, not interested. We made our way over to the Japanese gardens or the Chinese gardens, I don't remember. Once we got there, I think the sun was starting to set and it was really beautiful. I felt like I was walking into an anime, like a Ghibli film. You can see how pretty they have these like little bridges, these little, I don't know what they're called. And like, I don't know why, but like stones just make an Asian garden. I probably should have paid attention more during art history. So this part isn't really nature, but it's in relation to what we did that day. We got dinner. We're at Bakari right now, and Bakari kind of offers like small plate tapas. So the food was really good. For Celia's birthday this year, we decided to make her memes. So we started a meme page for her.
Are you seeing the thing?
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make 2 wishes. Make a lot of wishes. Did you make a wish? Yeah. Oh, okay. I had one yesterday. This one was easier.
But this video is in a few videos. So here's another photo of us enjoying nature. It's been 3-4 months of quarantine. Editing this video makes me want to go out again.